leaving from the port in Playa del Carmen and taking the Ultramar ferry. It's a very dog-friendly ferry. They don't ask for any paperwork. You can just walk right on. We typically sit up on the top deck because of the ocean breeze, so if he really enjoys it, you can look all around at the beautiful blue water down below. It's a quick 30-35 minute ferry ride. I like to leave Sophie off of the leash when we're traveling in most places because of luggage. It's easier, she doesn't get tied up in all the leash or wrapped around all the luggages as we walk. We've now arrived in downtown Cozumel. These sparrows are symbolic of the island of Cozumel. The downtown square is directly across the street from the port, so as soon as you walk out of the port onto the street, you cross it and you're right there. This walking tour is going to be very fast, just so you get an idea of what you can expect when you're in downtown Cozumel. There are a few Americanized brands such as Fat Tuesdays. There are some Starbucks around in the downtown center, and then around the island you'll find a few Hard Rock casinos.
Sophie gets all the attention.
Now we're walking towards the middle where the square is. No tour of downtown Cozumel is complete without Sophie posing by the Cozumel sign. So here's a map of the downtown area. You see the ferry port right there. We are right around in this area right there. And if you go south, I would say about 10 blocks, north where I stop at Street 9, I live on Sur 23. And it's in the Corpus Christi neighborhood, which is one of the best residential neighborhoods.
Sophie's popular with everyone, children, everything. Sophie.
So all along the main street, which is where the seawall is, you have all of these beach areas where you can either jump off the seawall or they have stairs that go down and you can jump in. Sophie typically likes to pull me over that way, either because she's hot or just because she loves swimming. As the sun sets in Cozumel, the street with the seawall is lined with people. They're all gathering to watch the sailboats and the cruise ships sail through the sunset. And there's the ferry port right over there. And as we look back from this pier that we're on, you'll see the whole downtown Cozumel. As I said, this was a very quick tour.